story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my pros? It's me, Gina Marie, and I am here with another hair mask review. I feel as though when I have this t-shirt on, you guys know what time it is. You know we about to review a deep conditioner. These are like one of my favorite videos to do on my channel just because I absolutely love deep conditioners. Like, to me, that is the most important part of a hair regimen. And so anytime I get a chance to try some new deep conditioners, I do. So I have two DevaCurl Deep Conditioners. I have their Melt into Moisture and their Heaven in the Hair. I don't know which one I'm going to use, but I'm leaning more towards the Heaven in the Hair just because it says it's an intense moisture treatment. And the way my hair is set up right now, the sucker's dry. So this deep conditioner I'm going to review is the DevaCurl Heaven in the Hair Intense Moisture Treatment. Like I said before, it has a lot of butters in it that I can't not necessarily say, and I'm not going to even try. I'm just going to list them down in the description box, and I will probably put them on the side of this video. Haven't tried this combination before, so I'm looking forward to that. The reason why I chose this one over the other one is because this one says it's to put in your hair for 15 to 30 minutes. And the other one can act as like a 3-minute deep conditioner. So I feel like this one is more intense. And my hair is like super dry right now. So I need like a really good deep conditioner. But this, ooh, this is a very pretty color. It's like a tealish green blue and it kind of glistens. The smell is not that amazing, I'm not gonna lie. But let's part my hair. And like I said, my hair is dry, so I need this deep conditioner to be intense like it says it is. Ooh. Oh, snap. It's gliding. Oh. Look, it's just like... Oh, this is going to be good. Look at this. Oh, man. You know, I've heard really good things about DevaCurl's deep conditioners. Like, extremely really good things. And I have been wanting to try these deep conditioners for so long. And I'm kind of, right now, I'm kind of mad that I waited so long. Yep, it's gliding and it's finger detangling with ease. It's like putting butter. If you was to try to put butter on your hair, it is just sliding, and I am easily getting rid of these tangles back here in the back. So right now, my hair, like, I feel like I'm just, with my fingers, I am just getting all those tangles out with just one rake. So I'm going to sit in this deep conditioner for about 45 minutes, maybe longer, because I'm not really doing anything. And then I will come back and let you guys know my final thoughts about this deep conditioner. But right now, giving it 2 thumbs up. Okay, so I have sat in this deep conditioner for about 45 minutes and I have rinsed this deep conditioner out, and this is what my hair looks like. So right off the bat, my curls are there, but it definitely does not feel as good as it did when I was applying it. I don't feel like my hair is super moisturized. Like the bottle claim says intense, and so I felt like my hair should just feel ultra juicy right now, and it doesn't. My hair just doesn't feel that moisturized. I have other deep conditioners that are super moisturized, and the only reason why I want to give this a hard time is because it says it's an intense moisture, and so I guess I was just expecting more, but after rinsing out that deep conditioner, I didn't get it. But my curls seem to like it. I feel like I have some curl poppage in some areas. The back of my hair is definitely shrunk, So that lets me know that my hair did drink up that moisture, and I guess I just wanted to feel a little bit more soft, a little bit more fluffy. Overall, if I was to rate this deep conditioner about a 1 out of 5, I would give it about a 3, mainly because of the price tag. I feel like for the price tag, I want the moisture to just be everything. I want my hair to feel just as good as it did when I was applying it as when I rinsed it out, and it doesn't feel that way. But I do think that this is a good deep conditioner, and I will definitely continue using it. If you're looking for a new deep conditioner try, I highly recommend trying the deep conditioner. I think it's a deep conditioner worth trying, but if you have your favorites, there are some other deep conditioners that you can try as well. I have a playlist of deep conditioners that I will link down up here so you guys can check those out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.